Good morning, dear students. So today we'll start our class with the chapter, the grammar topic, gender of nouns and pronouns. But before that, do you remember what we need to do? What is the tradition of the class?
Idiom.
Yes, raise your hands and tell me. Yes, Abhay.
Ma'am, idiom.
Harikesh. Abhay, you had your turn yesterday, I think. So I just want to ask someone else. Yes, Pranay Gaba.
Ma'am, idiom.
Idiom of the week. So what was the idiom?
As easy as falling off the log.
Yes, as easy as falling off a log. Its meaning is
Extremely easy.
extremely easy. Very good. So give me an example.
I passed as easy as falling off a log.
I passed as easy as falling off a log.
Yes.
बेटा वो थोड़ा सा लॉजिक नहीं बनता है, वो as easily होना चाहिए. So use it properly. Anyone else? Harikesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
This sum is as easy as falling off log.
Yes, this sum is as easy as falling off a log means this sum is extremely easy. Doing something that is too easy is known as easy as falling off a log, right? Okay, so today we are going to start our grammar topic, that is gender. Now raise your hand and tell me how many types of genders are there. Okay, Kritika Gumbar. Kritika Gumbar, just tell me how many types of genders are there. Unmute yourself and be fast. Kritika? No? Your voice is not audible at all. Sadika?
Ma'am, there are 4 types of gender.
4 types. Okay. First one is
Ma'am, masculine.
masculine gender. What is a masculine gender?
Male.
That denotes some male person. And next type is
Feminine.
Bhanvi. Next is
Feminine gender.
feminine gender. That denotes
Female.
females. And third is
Ma'am,
Mannat. Mannat Chopra. But do you think we have so much of time to waste? If you are raising hand, that means you are interested to speak. Then why don't you unmute yourself at once and tell me, give me the answer? Yes, Astik.
Ma'am, common gender.
Common gender. What is common gender?
मैम जो मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन में कॉमन है.
Yes, that is common for both. Okay. And last is? Follow, Astik. Neuter gender. Neuter gender is the gender used for
non-living things.
Yes, it is used for non-living things. Okay, right answer. Chaliye. Now we'll. Do you want me to tell how to convert a gender? I mean, there is no fixed rule. You know how to convert it, right? Some examples in your grammar book have been given. Page number 60. Open page number 60. Like lion, lioness, poet, poetess, priest, priestess, host, hostess, god, goddess, hunter, huntress, emperor, empress. But यहाँ ये है बेटा, you need to take care of the spellings. Like God का जब goddess बनेगा, so the last letter will become double. तो डबल डी ई डबल एस आ जाएगा. एंड इफ आई से अबाउट टाइगर और हंटर तो क्या होता है, जो पहले वाला ई है दैट शिफ्ट्स आफ्टर आर. HUNTER हंटर है ना, तो जब हम हंट्रेस लिखेंगे इट विल बिकम हंट्रेस. तो ये वाला जो ई है इट विल बी वैनिश्ड, ये खत्म हो जाएगा, इट विल बी डिलीटेड. So you need to take care of the spellings only, right? So some genders are changed by a change of word, like bachelor, maid, boy, girl, man, woman, lord, lady, sir, madam, son, daughter. And you know very well how to convert genders. Ma'am, when you are writing on board, you became very slow. What does that mean? Chalo, anyways, beta. Okay, now see the table that has been given on page number 92. Masculine to feminine. Okay, first example is the king went to the palace. The king went to the palace. He ate his breakfast. ठीक है? तो how to convert it into feminine gender? Okay, see beta, first example. The king went to the palace. He ate his breakfast. So here we'll see how to convert it into feminine gender. King will become queen. Went to the palace will remain same, as there is no word that can be converted. Now it is he ate his breakfast. So he is converted into, unmute yourself.
She.
She.
Ma'am, she.
Very good.
She.
Is converted
Ma'am,
to she ate. His is converted into
Her.
Ma'am,
her breakfast. तो यहाँ मेरा कहने का ये मतलब है, if we are talking about a female, जैसे हम queen की बात कर रहे हैं, तो along with the nouns we need to change the pronouns also. We need to change the pronouns also. Okay. His brother is an actor. See fourth sentence. His brother is an actor. So converted into feminine gender.
Her sister is an actress.
Her sister is an
heroine. Is an
बेटा मैं जिसको बोलूंगी only that student will give answer. Otherwise तो यहाँ it is creating a mess. Yes, Amanat Saini. Beta, his brother is an actor.
Her sister is an actress.
Very nice. Her sister is an actress. So his जो है that is for masculine. So his will be converted into her.
Her.
Brother masculine will be converted into sister. Actor again masculine and it will be converted into actress. You need to take care of the spellings also. See the spellings of actress. It is ACTRESS. Right? Chaliye. The main thing is to do exercise 68. Now we'll do exercise 68. हाँ जी बेटा. You will raise your hand. I'll ask one student to give me answer. So first sentence is her husband or wife treated him or her kindly. Manvi Chopra.
Ma'am,
Yes,
He's-
Manvi.
his husband treated
Yeah,
him
Mary,
kindly.
listen. Is it Manvi?
Ma'am, yes.
बेटा हर को आप इसमें क्यों कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो? We have been given an option. You are to select husband or wife. Astik, you give me answer.
Ma'am, her wife
Ma'am,
treated her husband treated her kindly.
Her husband treated
Her kindly.
kindly. Okay, just tell me, why did you choose husband and not wife?
Ma'am, because ma'am, wife का husband. Ma'am, her husband.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, अगर-
ये आपको कहाँ से
ma'am,
पता
अगर-
चलेगा? ये आपको
Ma'am, अगर her wife
पता चलेगा क्योंकि हमें हर दिया गया है. तो हर मीन्स हमें फेमिनिन के बारे में बताया गया है. फेमिनिन प्रोनाउन है ये हर. तो हर का हस्बैंड हो सकता है, हर की वाइफ नहीं हो सकती. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग? है ना? हर जो अगर दिया हुआ है, अगर मैं किसी फीमेल की बात कर रही हूं तो फीमेल का हस्बैंड होता है, फीमेल की वाइफ नहीं होती. तो वील से हर हस्बैंड ट्रीटेड हर काइंडली. उसका हस्बैंड उसको अच्छे से काइंडली ट्रीट करता था. उसको किसको? अपनी वाइफ को, है ना? अपनी वाइफ को. क्योंकि हम हर की बात कर रहे हो तो हर ही आएगा. अपनी वाइफ को अच्छे से ट्रीट करता था, तो दैट मीन्स हर काइंडली. सो योर करेक्ट ऑप्शंस आर हस्बैंड एंड हर. So this is the only exercise where you have to pay full attention. क्योंकि यही बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं and they choose the wrong option. Okay, second is the king or queen lost her bag of gold. Akshara.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
The queen lost her bag of gold.
Okay, why did you choose queen?
Ma'am, because there is her, it is a feminine, so we can't use king here.
हाँ जी. देखिए बेटा, हमें सेंटेंस में बताया गया है हर बैग ऑफ गोल्ड. तो हर किसके लिए यूज होता है? फेमिनिन के लिए. सो इफ वी आर यूजिंग if we can see that in sentence her has been given, that means a feminine gender has been talked about. किसी feminine की बात की गई है तो the option will be queen only. Good. Okay, next sentence. Sentence number 3. His or her wife or husband served him like a nurse. हाँ जी बेटा. I just want to ask Simran. Simran beta ji, please give me answer.
Her wife served him like a nurse.
Your voice is not audible. Nitish Sayal.
Her wife served him like a nurse.
Okay, why did you choose her wife?
Ma'am, because there is him.
There is
After served.
क्या होता है?
मैम इसका मतलब है कि वो जो वाइफ है वो हस्बैंड की है.
हाँ जी, इसका मतलब है कि देखो पहले उसने हिम को ट्रीट किया. हिम को ट्रीट किसकी तरह किया? नर्स की तरह. दैट मीन्स यहाँ हम नर्स किसी फीमेल को ही काउंट करेंगे और यहाँ हिम है तो मीन्स उसकी वाइफ ने उसको नर्स की तरह ट्रीट किया. राइट? If we can see in the sentence that nurse has been given a nurse is feminine, तो nurse की तरह एक lady treat कर सकती है. तो अगर हम lady की बात करते हैं तो that means wife आएगा. And if we can say that यहाँ wife आएगा तो wife किसकी होती है? Wife किसकी होती है? Yes, Astik.
His wife
किसकी
served
wife
him
होती
like
है? तो this option is wrong. This option is wrong. Wife जो है वो किसी masculine की होगी. Masculine pronoun should be there. Her husband, his wife. You need to remember this thing. His wife, her husband. So this option is wrong, Nitish. Her wife नहीं आएगा, his wife आएगा. His wife served him like a nurse. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next is the bridegroom or bride saved his or her husband from death. तो यहाँ husband की बात हो रही है, तो husband किसका होगा? her का या his का?
मैम हर का.
her का. तो husband होगा her का. And the bride आएगा या bridegroom आएगा?
मैम bride.
Bride आएगा. Bride means bridegroom. हाँ. Bridegroom means दुल्हन. Oh sorry. Bride means bride क्या होता है? What is bride?
दुल्हन.
Bride means दुल्हन. Bridegroom means दूल्हा. है ना, दूल्हा. तो किसने बचाया? ब्राइड ने बचाया कि ब्राइड ग्रूम ने बचाया अपने हस्बैंड को?
मैम ब्राइड ने.
ब्राइड ने बचाया. दुल्हन
ब्राइडग्रूम.
अपने हस्बैंड को डेथ से बचाया. सॉरी, आई स्पोक रॉन्ग फर्स्ट. गलती से बोल हो गया मुझसे. ब्राइड ग्रूम इज दूल्हा एंड ब्राइड इज दुल्हन. राइट? सो लास्ट सेंटेंस. The man or the woman felt the loss of his or her dear wife. पहली बात तो वाइफ है. वाइफ किसकी होगी? परनीत कौर. परनीत कौर वाइफ किसकी होगी? हिज की हर की?
मैम हिज.
हाँ जी,
हिज.
हिज की. ओके, वाइफ होगी हिज की. ये तो हो गया क्लियर. नाउ अब वाइफ की डेथ हुई है तो मैन को लॉस होगा कि वुमेन को लॉस होगा?
मैन को.
मैन को. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द मैन felt the loss of his dear wife. Clear है ये? Okay, we'll do just 2 sentences of exercise 16, 9th and 10th sentence, because the rest of the sentences up to 5 sentences will be given to you as a homework. चलिए. The bridegroom was an old man riding a white horse. Anshpreet. Beta, you are sitting with your videos off and it does not look nice at all. I don't know what are you doing behind behind the screen. I can't see you. Anshpreet, are you going to give me answer? Or shall I ask someone else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anshpreet. बोलिए.
Ma'am, the bride was an old woman riding a white mare.
हाँ जी, ब्राइडग्रूम का जेंडर बन गया ब्राइड, मैन का जेंडर बन गया वुमेन, और हॉर्स का जेंडर बन गया मेयर. इज माई सेंटेंस राइट? ओके, चलिए 10th सेंटेंस. Hanvi, you will give me answer. The king gave the shepherd a prize because he had saved the life of his son.
The queen gave the shepherdess a prize because she had saved the life of her daughter.
Very good, Hanvi. Right answer. See the spellings of shepherdess. Shepherd लिख के पीछे ESS. Shepherdess. A prize because she had saved the life of her daughter. Is it right? देखिए, king, queen, shepherd, shepherdess, he, she. यहाँ मेरा पर्पस है आपको ये बताना कि along with the nouns you need to change the gender of pronouns as well. ये नहीं है कि हमने सिर्फ nouns के कर दिए, pronouns हमारे वैसे ही रह गए. That will be wrong. So he will convert into she, her, his का her, and son का daughter. Is it clear to everyone? चलिए, अभी हम noun case करेंगे फटाफट से. That we did yesterday. This topic was done by us yesterday, but I just want that you should give me the answers. Okay, exercise 72. Page number 65. First 10 sentences have been given to you as a homework. I hope you have done it. I hope you have done it. Anji, everyone is saying yes. So let's discuss 11th to 15th sentences. 11th is the voices of the pupils. Yes, Daksh.
The pupil's voice.
Anji,
And the pupil's voice.
pupils की spellings बोलोगे बेटा? How to write pupils?
And PUPIL post office S.
हाँ जी बेटा, कल हमने पढ़ा था हाउ टू मेक नाउन केस ऑफ सिंगुलर एज वेल एज प्लूरल. तो पीपल्स इज ऑलरेडी प्लूरल, तो प्लूरल के बाद सिर्फ एक अपॉस्ट्रोफी कॉमा आएगा. वी विल नॉट ऐड अनदर एस विद इट. जो हमारा वर्ड एस से फिनिश हो रहा है उसके पीछे हम सिर्फ अपॉस्ट्रोफी कॉमा लगाएंगे. और जो हमारा सेंटेंस एस से नहीं खत्म हो रहा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय, गर्ल, लेडी, चाइल्ड, उसके साथ हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी कॉमा प्लस एस लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय, इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बॉयज. और एक हमारे जो प्लूरल होते हैं दोज डोंट एंड विद एस, लाइक चिल्ड्रन, men. तो इनके साथ भी आप apostrophe comma और s दोनों लगाओगे because it is not ending with s. यहाँ सिर्फ pronunciation की गड़बड़ होती है बेटा. देखिए pupils voices, तो pupils already है. अगर मैं एक और s लगाती हूँ, if I put an additional s, then the pronunciation becomes pupilses. So is it right to pronounce like this way? No, it is not right. So we'll not add another s after an s. Clear है? The ornaments of the ladies. The ladies ornaments, because again ladies is plural, तो हम सिर्फ कॉमा लगाएंगे. अगर होता the ornaments of the lady, अगर अकेला lady होता then we should have written like this, the ladies ornaments. यहाँ है एक lady के ornaments, यहाँ है सारी ladies के ornaments. So this is plural, we'll write this way, and this is singular, so we'll write this way, right? So next is the songs of the women. So again देखिए women जो है ये s से finish नहीं हो रहा, and it is plural, so we can add apostrophe, comma and s. The women's songs. The laughter of the boys. Again boys is plural, so boys as it is, और उसके पीछे एक apostrophe, comma. The boys laughter. The house belonging to the ladies. Again ladies ही आएगा इस तरह से, ladies, the ladies house. हाँ जी बेटा, one more sentence is there for the sake of goodness. ये same रहेगा. Why it will remain same? Because we are talking of a non-living thing. तो for the sake of goodness ही आएगा. इसको हम goodness sake नहीं बोलेंगे. It will remain same. एक और है यहाँ पर a holiday for a week. कल मैंने आपको बताया था when we talk about time, space और wait, तब हम apostrophe comma s यूज कर सकते हैं. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि week की बात की है and week is not counted in living things. But जब हम किसकी बात करेंगे, टाइम की बात करेंगे, वेट की बात करेंगे, स्पेस की बात करेंगे, although these are non-living things, but we will use apostrophe, comma and s with it. Okay? हाँ जी, कुछ चीजें होती हैं पर्सोनिफाई. जब हम किसी को पर्सोनिफाई कर देते हैं, पर्सोनिफाई मींस एज अ पर्सन ट्रीट करना. इनके साथ हम एस यूज करेंगे. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दी थी, अ वीक्स हॉलीडे, इन अ इयर्स टाइम, अ पाउंड्स वेट. ये वेट की बात करूंगी तो अ पाउंड्स वेट. अगर मैं टाइम की बात करूंगी, अ years time. ठीक है. अगर मैं स्पेस की बात करूंगी तो स्पेस में भी बेटा यही चीज आ जाएगी. जैसे a meter's length, या a day's march. तो इन चीजों के साथ हम apostrophe, comma और s यूज कर सकते हैं, although these are non-living things. और दूसरा हमारा exceptional case था personify करना. When we personify something, personify as a person treat करना means अगर हम कहते हैं कि it is my duty's call, कि मुझे मेरी ड्यूटी बुला रही है. Suppose someone is a soldier और वो घर छुट्टी के लिए आया है, but a war breaks. एक लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती है, so that soldier has to go back in spite of his holidays. So what he will say कि it is my duty's call. तो यहाँ हम इसको personify कर रहे हैं. That is why we can use apostrophe, comma and s with it. Okay, if I say England's heroes, means again मैं इंग्लैंड को ट्रीट कर रही हूँ कि इंग्लैंड के हीरो या इंडियाज हीरोज. ठीक है, तो वहां भी मैं इस चीज को पर्सोनिफाई कर रही हूँ. और although it is these are non living things, but we can use apostrophe, comma and s with it. तो ये दो एक्सेप्शंस हैं, दिस यू नीड टू रिमेंबर, इन दोनों के साथ हम करेंगे. बट इफ आई से द लेग्स ऑफ द चेयर, सो दैट विल रिमेन सेम. उसको हम चेयर्स लेग्स नहीं बोल सकते. दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज रॉन्ग, क्योंकि ये एक बिल्कुल नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, इसको हम पर्सोनिफाई नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये हमारा कोई इतना इंपॉर्टेंट वो ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है कि हम इसको पर्सोनिफाई करें या वैसे करें. द फ्रेम्स ऑफ द पिक्चर्स, इट विल अगेन रिमेन सेम. द फ्रेम्स ऑफ द पिक्चर्स, अगर आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे, द pictures frames, then again it is a wrong expression. Am I clear? Okay, now time is going to over, so I'm going to paste Google form. Kindly fill your attendance.